Hello everyone, how are you? Well, this is Anjani Kumar and once again I am before you with my new video, and the topic of the video is complex sentence. First of all simple, then compound, then the third category is of complex sentence. Well, you have to be very careful regarding identifying whether the sentence is compound or complex or simple. So in earlier video, we have already discussed that a simple sentence will have one subject and one finite verb. In the compound sentence, we have what? We have two simple sentences connected with what? Connected with a coordinate conjunction. But in complex sentence, in that complex sentence, you will find that there is one simple sentence and another one is a subordinate clause, that is a dependent clause. So here, since the name is clarifying that complex sentence is complex in its nature, but it is not so complex when you will learn some of the tricks. So today we will talk about those tricks. With the help of that, you are going to find the complex sentence in a easy way. So waiting for what? Let us start this class. So here, you can watch on the top of the video, board is a complex sentence here, and just below it there is the structure of complex sentence. What is that? See here, subject plus verb plus object. This is the structure of simple sentence. Later on, subordinate clause. So subordinate clause, here it is written subordinate clause begins with a subordinate conjunction. Simple. When you are able to identify in which part of the sentence subordinate conjunction lies there, from there only the complex sentence begins. See, what are those subordinate conjunctions? Here I am giving a trick. All the subordinate conjunctions will start with W or H or if. So, if you can find it as if, and it also can start with T. It is T for though, although, W for who, T for that, W for which, W for what, W for when, W for where, because, provided, etc. So whatever the conjunctions are there, these are the subordinate conjunctions. It will start with W, H, with T. Okay. So now here I am with you with some of the examples which will help you a lot to identify the sentence is complex or not. See, in the first sentence you are watching, I could not come to my class. So it is your subject, could not come, it is the part of the verb, to my class. It is your object. So subject, verb, object. This is what? This is your subject, verb. This is main clause. Because I was ill, you can find because here. So because it is your coordinate. What? Because it is your. Yes, not coordinate. Yeah. Because is your subordinate condition. Because I was ill. So from here to here, because I was ill, it is your what? Complex. It is your subordinate condition. Subordinate clause. So subordinate clause plus simple clause makes a complex sentence. So I could not come to my class because I was ill. Here showing the reason. That's why from here to here it is your complex sentence. It is your complex sentence. Now see, come to example number 2. Though, although he worked hard, he failed. So he failed is your main clause. He failed, it is your main clause. And here we are having what? Subordinate clause. So I have already told you children that complex sentence is the combination of one main clause and one subordinate clause. Okay, see, so here you are finding this is your subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Though he worked hard. This is your subordinate clause and he failed, it is your main clause. So this is what all comprised together, it becomes what? Complex sentence. Now come to example number 3. I saw a man. This is your main clause. Because it is clarifying its meaning itself. Okay, this is your main clause. I saw a man. It is a simple sentence. Who was blind? So who was blind? Here it is starting with the conjunction who and was blind, and hence it becomes what? Subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. And so one main clause, one subordinate clause, altogether it is what? It is a complex sentence. Now come to this one area. You are finding, see here, you will pass the test provided you worked hard. So what is that? You will pass the test. This is what? This is clarifying, this part of the sentence is clarifying its meaning itself. Is it? So it is what? It becomes your main clause. It becomes your main clause. Provided on one condition. Provided means showing the condition. Provided you worked hard. So this is your subordinate clause. So one main clause, one subordinate clause. Again it is making what? Complex sentence. So you can see you. Well, I am very much sure that you must have got this video very clearly. In this video, you found that when one simple sentence is there and one subordinate sentence is there or dependent sentence is there, dependent clause is there, it will be making a complex sentence. And how we are able to find the subordinate clause? Because all the subordinate clause begins with what? A subordinate conjunction. All the subordinate conjunction begin with most of the subordinate conjunction. I mean to say, it begins with either the W letter, H letter, or H letter, or T letter. You can see that. Okay? So, wait for my next video. In that, you will come to know how you are going to make a simple to compound and then to complex sentence. Okay? Till then, be very much careful regarding your health. Bye.